The vanity light in your 2017-2020 Mazda CX-5 is located in the sun visor. First, ensure your car is off for safety. To access the bulb, use a plastic trim tool or flathead screwdriver. Gently pry open the visor mirror cover, being careful not to damage the plastic. Once open, you'll see the bulb socket. The bulb is typically a wedge-based T10 incandescent or LED. Twist or gently pull the old bulb straight out. For LEDs, note the polarity before removing. The bulb might be stuck due to dust or heat, so be prepared. Insert the new T10 LED or incandescent bulb into the socket, ensuring a secure fit. If using an LED and it doesn't light up initially, try rotating it 180 degrees to correct the polarity. Now, test the light by folding down the visor and activating the light switch. If it still doesn't work, check fuse number 28 in the dashboard fuse box. If the new bulb works, snap the mirror cover back onto the visor. You've now successfully replaced your vanity light bulb. Upgrading to LED is recommended for longer life and energy efficiency.